we are studying tolerances in production run. Now selection of tolerances. Selection of tolerances is very important, and it is mainly depend upon the three factors. First one is manufacturing cost, and manufacturing cost, how it depends on selection of tolerances. If the tolerance is minimum or if the accuracy require more, it increases the production cost or manufacturing cost, because we have to make the part closer to the basic size, very close. So if the tolerance is closer, minimum one, accuracy is more or tolerance is minimum, so manufacturing cost will be more. Then manufacturing process available. Manufacturing process available means machines and process carried out on that machine in industry. You have to calculate which process will be suitable for which process is suitable to achieve the specific tolerances. The method of manufacturing is indicated by actually specified tolerances. For example, if you are making the cylinder, in case of automobile, there is a cylinder piston. So this cylinder requires the finishing, internal surfaces of the cylinder to be finished with very close tolerances, because there is a very close clearance fit. This piston is sliding into the cylinder. So these close tolerances cannot be achieved by your lathe machine or your milling machine or your drill machine or your boring machine, even by your grinding machine. So this operation or this super finishing is required. So this super finishing is to be done by means of honing operations. Honing operation is one of the method of super finishing. So whenever the close tolerances require, according to that the operation is to be selected. Then requirement of the mating parts. Requirement of the mating parts means same. I have given the example of piston cylinder. That piston is sliding into the cylinder. So this is the requirement. Requirement is what? That is sliding. In some cases it is to be fixed firmly. That is interference fit. So these three factors are depend upon the selection of tolerances. Again, the figure is given to you. This is the basic size and this is the minimum limit of size. This is the maximum limit of the size. So obviously this is the lower deviation and this is the upper deviation, and upper deviation minus lower deviation is the tolerance zone. Okay. Then system of tolerances. In a drawing, tolerances are given in two systems. One is a unilateral system and another is bilateral system. So what is unilateral system? Suppose this is the basic size and this is the shaft. And so this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. So basic size line, this is the hole and this is the shaft. So this lower limit size is touching to the basic size and upper limit size is not touching. So this is the tolerance zone. And in case of shaft, the upper limit size of the shaft is touches to the basic, and this is the tolerances. Okay, so this will be given as 25 plus 0.1 plus 0.2 in case of this one. So this distance is plus 0.1 and this distance is plus 0.2. In case of this 25 is the basic size, this 0.0 lower limit size is 0.0 and upper limit size is 0.02. In case of third one, 25 is the basic size minus, because this is below the 0 line, so minus 0.01 and minus 0.02, or this one 25 basic size lower limit is 0 and upper limit is like. Okay. And second one is bilateral system. bilateral system means this basic size and upper limit size and lower limit size. Between the those upper limit and lower limit, basic size is there. So this upper limit, this lower limit, and this is the basic size. Okay, so bilateral. In bilateral system, the tolerances are given like this, and it is given as this 25, suppose, plus minus 0.01 like this. In case of unidirectional, 2 units are there, and here 1 unit plus minus. That is bilateral system. Now fundamental tolerances. No need to remember these things. Actually, these are used in production drawings when you are going to do the assembly and details. So these symbols are there, and so at that time you have to understand what is. That's why I am explaining this. In examination, it is not to be asked. So these fundamental tolerances, IT5, IT6 up to IT16, and magnitude is 7i up to 1000i. I means 0.001 d. D means diameter, and plus 0.45 3 under root d. And it will be understand here. Upper deviation for hole, always capital letter is used, ES, upper deviation, and for shaft small letter ES. Lower deviation EI for shaft capital letter, and lower deviation shaft EI small letters. This is the main chart of tolerance. This is the basic size. If the tolerance is this capital letter size of hole, and this is small letters is for shaft. If you need close tolerances, accordingly you have to select the letters. Okay, so these are the basic things of the tolerances. Now calculation of the limit sizes, and here the table is given. For lapping operation, IT grade 4 and 5, honing operation 4 and 5, cylindrical grinding 5 and 7, broaching 5 to 8, rimming. These are the IT grades, fundamental tolerances grade. And here the extrusion, boring, milling, plumbing, planing, shaping, drilling, die casting, sand casting, forging. These are the grades. Okay. Now calculation of the limit sizes. For hole, diameter 25, H7. H7, capital H indicates the hole, 7 hole, and 25 mm the basic size. So we know that there is a formula. Fundamental tolerances IT, basic size 25, tolerance grade 7 and 21 micron. So you have to see here 21 for 7 in this table. This 16i, IT7, 16i value is 21 micron. Okay, so this 21 micron. So this lower deviation, upper deviation minus IT, there is a formula. Lower deviation is 0 and upper deviation you have to find out, and fundamental tolerance is 21.021, therefore lower deviation is 0.021. So upper limit size will be 25 plus this one, and lower limit size is 25. Similarly, for example 25H7, you have to write like this: 25 plus 21 and plus 00. And in figure you can show like this: 0 line, 25H7, and this, because it is 0, so it is touches to the basic size. Okay, and for hole 40 C11. So 40 is the basic size and 11 is the tolerance grade, and if you refer the table 4.2, so 4.2 table, so there is a grade 11, so this is grade 11, grade 11, and the diameter is how much? So that will be 60. Okay, so 16. So in table, basic size 40 and tolerance grade 11 is 160 micron, means how much mm? 0.0160 mm. So same formula, lower limit, upper limit minus fundamental tolerance, so then you will get lower limit, upper limit, this upper limit, and lower limit, upper limit minus tolerances, you will get lower limit. So you can write like this. Okay, for sure. So this will be given to you in the assembly and details. Just you have to identify what the drawing says. Okay, now in next lecture we will see different types of fits